Hello friends, welcome back to Feasty Sisters. Today we have brought a warm and delicious gravy side dish from our kitchen, one from the Maharashtrian cuisine famously known as the Patal Bhaji. Let's look into this simple recipe now. Heat a kadai and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Add in half teaspoons of mustard seeds and cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. Later, add in 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder and few curry leaves. Next, in goes 2 slit green chilies and 5 medium potatoes roughly chopped. Sprinkle half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix. Add about 1 cup of water and cook covered till potatoes turn tender. Add in 4 large tomatoes finely chopped and mix in with the potatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of crystal salt, 1 tablespoon of jaggery and mix. Cook covered for 5 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of rasam powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix in. If you do not have rasam powder, you could use a mix of dhania, jeera and red chili powder. You can see the gravy bubbling up and a pleasant aroma drifting through. Make a thick slurry using 2 teaspoons of besan and water and combine this into the gravy. You can now check the consistency of the gravy as well as the seasoning as per your taste. Add 1 cup of roasted and coarsely powdered groundnuts. Mix it well. Finally add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut and combine well. You can see the gravy has come out beautifully. Garnish with a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix and serve this heavenly patal bhaji with hot chapatis or puris. Let us know how it turned out in your kitchen in the comment sections below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please do consider subscribing to our channel for more such interesting delicacies. Thanks for watching.